To show you the features of the speaker front, we very obviously have firstly here the horns, which are detachable. So when the speakers are packaged here in the factory, they are packaged separately. So when they arrive with you, the horns come in a separate packaging. To show you how easy it is to attach them, I now detach them by turning them counterclockwise. Here's the big thread. Inside here is the counterpart. And the same is possible with the tweeter horn. Also, if you want to operate the speaker without the grille, it is very easily detachable because it's held by magnets. So it makes a soft click and then it's fixated. Also, you can see here the mounting ring of the tweeter horn, which is as well a decorative element. So it may be exchanged by something like this, which is a copperish finish. And this ring also incorporates the on-off button, which is in on status illuminated and dimmable, by the way. So here behind you can also see a little board, which means there is the electronics that switches the speaker on, and it depends on which version you have, semi-active or fully active, whether this button switches on just the bass amplifier or the complete speaker. So now let's reattach the horns again. Of course, in a clockwise turning. And the big mid-range horn. Again, a clockwise turning will attach it.